How to stake SafeMoon on Trust Wallet. First of all, what you need to do is you must own SafeMoon and a certain amount of it, and you can later further sell it and keep a stake on it, and you can even earn a passive income from it. First of all, open Trust Wallet and go to the search bar on the top right hand side and tap on it. Then just go ahead and search for SafeMoon. After you search for SafeMoon, you can now see that it will appear. So you can tap on the SafeMoon Solana. You can see the option of receive or swap. Go ahead and tap on any one of these and you can easily receive some SafeMoon. Now after you have done saving the SafeMoon, you can easily stake it and sell it from time to time to easily earn a passive income. So guys, this is how easy it is to stake a SafeMoon on Trust Wallet. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.